DevOps is an essential practice for modern software development and operations. It aims to improve collaboration, communication, and efficiency between teams. In this video, we will cover the basics of DevOps for beginners. At its core, DevOps is a combination of development and operations. It brings together software development and IT operations to streamline the software delivery process. One of the key goals of DevOps is to automate repetitive and manual tasks. By automating these tasks, teams can save time and reduce errors. Continuous integration and continuous deployment are fundamental concepts in DevOps. Continuous integration involves regularly merging code changes into a shared repository. This allows teams to catch and fix integration issues early in the development cycle. Continuous deployment ensures that software changes are automatically and systematically released to customers. The DevOps culture emphasizes communication and collaboration between teams. Developers, operations engineers, and other stakeholders work together to achieve goals. DevOps also encourages the use of tools that facilitate communication and collaboration. Some popular DevOps tools include Git, Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. One of the key benefits of DevOps is faster and more frequent software releases. With DevOps practices in place, teams can release new features and bug fixes more effectively. DevOps also promotes scalability and reliability in software systems. By automating infrastructure provisioning, teams can quickly scale up or down as needed. Monitoring and logging play a crucial role in DevOps. Teams need to monitor the health and performance of their software systems. Proactive monitoring helps identify and address potential issues before they impact users. DevOps is not just about technology. It also involves a cultural shift within organizations. Companies need to foster a culture of trust, collaboration, and continuous learning. In summary, DevOps is a set of practices that aim to improve software development and operations. It brings together teams, tools, and processes to deliver high-quality software more efficiently. Whether you're an absolute beginner or an experienced professional, understanding DevOps is essential in today's tech landscape.